Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find your headphones Baseus Bowie H1 using application. You have to start by open Baseus app, and of course you need to add your headphones to the application. Then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your headphones, and right here at the middle bottom we have this icon, so we need to tap on that. But as you can see, we need to log in into our account. So if you use as me guest mod, you need to log in into your account or create a new one. So just go back, and right here at the left top we have this information to click to log in, so tap on it, and I'm going to enter my account. You can click sign up and create a new one. Also right here at the right top you can select a region, or just tap on them and select which one is yours and click on them. So login, and we need to write an email and a password. And then click login. Here we go. Now we need to reconnect these headphones, I guess. So this one is, I don't know which one. Okay, so let's add it. So firstly we need to check is it connected on the Bluetooth, and after that open the application and click at the plus at the right top. Then tap at your headphones here and add device. Okay, now tap at your headphones and click at this location icon. And right here we have the information about these headphones, so you can find it at the map. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!